You are missing out on building your audience by not streaming. Ready to see how to fix that in less than 2 minutes? Let's go! First, download OBS. It's free and gives you all the tools to start streaming. You don't need any fancy software, just head to the OBS website and click download. Then run the installation file and follow the instructions. Next up, creating a Twitch account, if you haven't already, is where your audience will find your streams. It only takes a few minutes, so let's get that done. Go to twitch.tv, click on Create Account, follow the instructions and verify your email. We are almost ready to stream. Let's keep going by opening our OBS streaming software. First, let's create a scene and add our desktop. Next up, we will link OBS to our Twitch account. Click on Start Streaming. OBS complains that we have not added a URL or stream key, so let's fix that. Click on Open Settings, go to Stream, make sure Service is set to Twitch and click Connect Account. Enter your login details to Twitch and click Login. Wait for OBS to finish and then click OK. Well done! With OBS linked to Twitch, you're just one click away from going live. Load up your favorite game, hit start streaming and do a test stream. It doesn't have to be perfect, just get comfortable. Once you're live, you're officially a streamer. Want more tips like this to grow your stream? Hit that follow button and I'll show you how to take your streaming game to the next level.